Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Denise from At Home with Denise. And if this is your first time here with us, I'm so glad that you're here and I hope we get to see you here again. So today we don't have much to do. We just need to do a little bit of sorting of laundry for my kids to be able to put up in their rooms. I want to do a deep clean of our washing machine, and then we're going to head downstairs and do a reset of our family's main living space and get us ready for the week. So let's get to it.
So here I am entering our laundry room, getting ready to prepare to deep clean our washing machine. But first I need to remove some laundry to put up a little bit later. Isn't that the never-ending saga of our lives? Laundry, laundry, laundry. How much you want to bet there's laundry in that dryer? Yep, there it is. I totally forgot about it. It'll get done later. So now I'm just preparing to wipe down the washing machine and the dryer with Mrs. Meyer's lemon verbena scent, just to give it an overall wipe down and clean before we begin the deep clean of the inside of the washing machine. So what you see me doing here is removing the soap dispenser to clean it, to remove any soap that has built up over time, just giving it an overall clean and wipe down. And then I'll take it out and rinse it off before I place it back into the washing machine. So here I am beginning the process of doing a deep clean of our washing machine. What you see me doing here is just taking a microfiber cloth and wiping down the inside of the ring. And then I took a toothbrush and used in the smallest parts of the ring so that I can make sure that anything that was built up in the ring over time, that I removed it. So I'm just wiping down the front of it before I begin the next step.
Okay guys, I'm getting ready to try something I've never done before, but I know it needs to be done. I need to lose the drain at the bottom of the washing machine and see what comes out of it. I've been told that if you don't do it quite often, you get a lot of buildup and a lot of gunk. So let's see if we can get it done. Let's see if I can do this, if I can figure it out.
As you can see, my little red top to one of my boys' old Lego containers didn't work. I had water gushing from everywhere. I had to send my daughter to go get me a towel to catch it all. So I did find a lot of gunk in there. I even found one of my husband's drill bits. Must have fallen out of one of his pockets in there. So right now I'm just doing a deep clean of that area and cleaning out anything that's left in it before I place it back in. Now that I have the washing machine clean and ready, it's now time for my next task of the day, which is sorting clothes for my children to put up in their room and folding some sheets and towels. So to pass the time, I normally watch television, something that will entertain me or something that I can learn from. So today what I'm watching is Coupon with Star. So I'm a small time couponer, but I'm not that great at it on my own yet. So to learn the best deals and how to do the best couponing for my family, I watch Coupon with Star. If you're interested in starting, she's a great resource to watch. Go to her channel, Coupon with Star, subscribe and like, and you will not be disappointed. So I'm watching this week's episode to learn the best deals to be able to go and do and to build up my family stockpile. Now for the last item of laundry, sorting through my boys' sheets so I can give it to them so that they can prepare to change the sheets on their beds later on today. I'm downstairs now trying to get my family's main living space refreshed and regrouped for the new week ahead. I'd like to jump right in here and say hi and introduce myself. So I'm Denise, a wife, a mom, an educator, a crafter, and a digital product designer trying to juggle it all. I'm the wife of Frank, and we're the proud parents of 3 wonderful children. And I'd like to welcome you to my channel, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video. And if you do, hit that like and subscribe button so that you can catch our next episode when we post here. Thanks so much again for being with us, and again, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Now we're in the kitchen, and next we'll move into the dining room. There really isn't much to do in this space. It's just getting everything straightened back up, place a few items back where they belong from breakfast this morning, and taking care of the dishes. I know you can see that my table's a little off-centered. That's because I'm trying to see if I can get the ends to stay flat. A couple episodes back, I talked about finding an item called Curl Stop that's supposed to stop your ends from curling up. Well, it hasn't worked all the way for me on this rug. It did work on another rug, but let's see if a couple of days of this heavy weighted table on it will help it to lay flat. Even though washing the dishes is one of my least favorite household activities to do, once the sink is cleared and it's all washed and clean and shiny, it is one of my favorite things to see. It's so satisfying. Even though I have a vacuum to use on the hardwood floors, I think sometimes it's best just for me to use my broom. It can get into places, into corners that a vacuum could never go. So what do you think is best? A broom or a vacuum? Or do you think a combination of both are best? I'd love to hear what you think in the comments. Here, I'm now getting ready to mop our floors. I'm using my Bona mop along with the Bona hardwood floor cleaner. So I'd like to take this time to say welcome to our new subscribers to our channel. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm so glad to have you with us. I hope that you continue to enjoy the content that we put out weekly. And I hope that you share it with your family and friends so that we can build on our community here. Thank you again so much. And if this is your first time with us, I hope that you've enjoyed today's episode and that you will be back with us here on next week. And if you do, just hit that subscribe button so that you'll know the next time that we post a video, and you'll be able to see it and view it along with us. So again, thank you all so much for coming. I want to say continue to have a great day and continue to enjoy these beautiful summer days. Well, that's our time for today. I'm so glad that you were with us, and I hope that you've enjoyed today's episode. And if you did, if you wouldn't mind, hit that like and subscribe button. It really would help me out. Thanks and have a great one. Bye-bye.